Alright guys, today we're going to make a bird trap. This is down and dirty, nothing fancy. I'm not going to spend a lot of time cutting a bunch of sticks to different sizes. I cut everything approximately the same size. You want to start out, take 2 sticks, put your cordage around it, make them almost identical in length. Just twist it like that to an X pattern. Lay that back down. Next thing you're going to want to do, start stacking your sticks that you've got cut into this X pattern. Kind of like playing with Lincoln logs. Kind of keep them square. And you're just going to come up in layers. Every layer rotating. Just pull them tight. Like I said, this is down and dirty. We're not out for looks. This will just be a survival situation, or a way to provide food with a quickness. Alright, there's the trap. Like I said, it's down and dirty. We're not out for looks. Next step I want to do is I'm going to build my trigger. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to take this stick right here. I'm going to cut me a longer Y stick. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to cut a next step. I'm going to cut a little 7s wedge right there. That's my Y. That's exactly what I'm going to use. I'm going to cut a little 7s wedge right there. Next step, I'm going to cut a wedge stick to fit right there, just like that right there. Alright, you don't want them to fit together just like that right there. Just like that. Next step I'm going to do is I'm going to take it over here and I'm going to size it up to my trap. Alright, that's going to set just like that right there. The Y, that little 7s cut, 7s wedge on the Y, that's wedged into it. Next thing I'm going to do is cut a stick to go from each back corner to this part of the Y. Alright, so I got my sticks ran from the corners out touching the Y stick. What's going to happen is you put your bait back in here in the triangle there, and it sets it off when they touch the sticks, just like that. Alright, so there again, that's how it's set up. But you put your bait back there. This is a hairpin trigger. It does not take hardly anything to set that off. I mean, it goes. When you get your prey in there, what you do is you'd slide your stick back, reach in there, grab it, flip your trap over. You got him. That's it. That's the bird trap. If you like our videos, you like, subscribe, share, comment. You can hit us on Facebook, Mickey Wilson Bushcraft. We'd like to hear your views. Like I said, that's down and dirty. Nothing fancy. You could spend a bunch of time cutting a bunch of stuff off there, make it look pretty, but survival situation, I'm not really worried about looking pretty. I'm just worried about securing food. That's it. Until the next time, we'll see you on the next one.